We're here at Potomac High School, and we're here participating in the Culinary 1 Cafeteria work study. I want to make sure that the students are interacting and giving back to the school. And once they've finished taking their ServSafe test, I allow them to go in there with the cafeteria workers.
They are a lot of help, 100% a lot of help. They learn how to prep food, they learn how to cook, I got a serving, and they learn how to cashier.
I think the work study program is really good for culinary students who want to potentially get a job in like the kitchen, and it basically gives them an idea of what they're getting into. I mainly learned how to work diligently and how to work under pressure.
My plans for after high school is not culinary orientated, but I will keep everything that I learned from the program with me for the outside life. Yeah. It's also a very eye-opening experience. It's not really what you think it is at the beginning. You have to manage your time well.
When I'm in the line serving the students, I loved it because I enjoy talking to people. So I was able to greet them, talk to them, maybe make somebody's day, and yeah, so it was fun for me.
I hope they take a life lesson of how to work around people, how to communicate, and how to do work skills, food service skills.
Hands-on work study like this is important because students practice in the classroom. Now they're out there and they're putting into work in the real study. And then in the cafeteria, we here at Potomac showing that, hey, they not just practicing in the culinary kitchen, they're in the cafeteria. They're doing the same thing that these young ladies are doing that's working in the cafeteria.